Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently delete your email account. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your email app, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you download email? You can get email on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type email and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page, where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on email. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to permanently delete your email account. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture in there. Click on that and it takes you to this window where you have switch account, security and privacy, settings, email voice, game center, my files, iBubble, share email, help, and feedback. Now I'd like you to click on settings. Once you click on settings, it takes you to this window where you have notifications, functions, storage and data, language, display mode, you have account and security, manage devices, and about. Click on account and security and that takes you here. We have the passcode lock, login protection, passkey, change phone number, family guard, request account info, logout, and delete email account. Now, for you to delete your email account, click on delete email account and you have this warning option that says, after deleting your account, the following data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Your profile and chat history, your contact list and groups, your virtual assets like diamond beans and badges, and your email premium data. Now go ahead and click on apply to delete. And once you click on the apply to delete button, just follow through with the prompts and your email accounts will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much the process. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.